Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of laptops with the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. Get ready to explore the latest features and innovations packed into this sleek and powerful device. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this laptop at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. Let's kick things off with the design. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra exudes elegance and sophistication with its sleek and minimalist design. With a weight of just 1.823 kilograms, it's incredibly portable and perfect for on-the-go productivity. Whether you're working from home or on a business trip, this laptop is sure to turn heads wherever you take it. Now, let's talk about the display. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra features a stunning 16-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels and a pixel density of 212 ppi. From vibrant colors to deep blacks, every detail pops with stunning clarity and precision. Plus, with a fast 120 Hz refresh rate, you'll enjoy smooth scrolling and seamless multitasking like never before. When it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra doesn't disappoint. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor clocked at 3.8 to 4.8 GHz and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU with 6 GB of VRAM, this laptop delivers blazing fast performance for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or running multiple applications simultaneously, you can count on the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra to keep up with your workflow. In terms of memory and storage, the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra comes equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD. With lightning-fast memory and ample storage space, you'll have no trouble multitasking or storing all your files, photos, and videos. Plus, with dual-channel memory support, you'll experience smoother performance and faster data transfer speeds. Let's talk about connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra offers a range of connectivity options to suit your needs. From USB-C ports for fast data transfer to HDMI for connecting to external displays, you'll have everything you need to stay connected and productive. Plus, with support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, you can enjoy faster wireless speeds and seamless connectivity wherever you go. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is equipped with a long-lasting battery that keeps you powered up throughout the day. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, you can count on this laptop to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Plus, with fast charging support, you can quickly top up your battery and get back to what you love without missing a beat. Finally, let's talk about price and value. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is priced at $2,399, which may seem steep at first glance. However, when you consider the powerful performance, stunning display, and premium design packed into this laptop, it's clear that you're getting excellent value for your money. Whether you're a professional user or a casual gamer, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra offers everything you need to stay productive and entertained on the go. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra is a powerhouse laptop that ticks all the right boxes. From its sleek design and stunning display to its powerful performance and long-lasting battery life, it's clear that Samsung has raised the bar with this device. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra offers an unmatched combination of performance, portability, and style that's sure to impress even the most discerning users. And that wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. What are your thoughts on this impressive laptop? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and laptop coverage. Until next time, take care and happy computing.